Welcome back to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and extravagance as we count down the top 7 most expensive fireworks in the world. Get ready for some mind-blowing pyrotechnics that will leave you in awe. Number 7. Sky Ladder by Cai Guo-Qiang. Starting off our list at number 7, we have the Sky Ladder by Cai Guo-Qiang. This incredible firework display took place in Quanzhou, China, and cost an astonishing $1.6 million. Cai Guo-Qiang, a renowned artist known for his gunpowder art, spent 21 years perfecting this project. The Sky Ladder was a ladder-like structure made of fireworks that stretched nearly 1,650 feet into the sky, creating a mesmerizing and ethereal sigh. The project required precise engineering and favorable weather conditions to succeed, and the final result was a breathtaking display of creativity and determination. Number 6. Black Cat Fireworks Display. At number 6, we have the Black Cat Fireworks Display. Known for their high-quality pyrotechnics, Black Cat went all out with a display that cost $2 million. This massive show took place at the annual Pyrotechnics Guild International (PGI) convention in the United States. The display featured thousands of fireworks, synchronized to a powerful musical score, lighting up the sky in a dazzling array of colors and patterns. The event attracted pyrotechnic enthusiasts from around the world, showcasing the brand's innovation and mastery in the field. Number 5. Sydney New Year's Eve Fireworks. Coming in at number 5 is the Sydney New Year's Eve Fireworks. This annual event in Australia is renowned worldwide and has a price tag of $7 million. The stunning display over Sydney Harbour includes fireworks launched from barges, rooftops, and the iconic Sydney Harbour Bridge. The event involves over 100,000 individual pyrotechnic effects and takes 15 months of planning. Each year, a unique theme is chosen, with the fireworks synchronized to a carefully curated soundtrack. The display attracts over 1 million spectators to the harbour and is broadcasted to millions more globally. Number 4. Dubai New Year's Eve Fireworks. Number 4 on our list is the Dubai New Year's Eve Fireworks. Known for their opulence, Dubai's fireworks display costs around $7.4 million. The show is set against the backdrop of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and features a breathtaking combination of fireworks, lights, and laser effects. The event includes over 1.6 tons of fireworks, creating a spectacular visual experience that can be seen from miles away. The display is choreographed to music and incorporates themes celebrating the city's achievements and aspirations. Number 3. Katakai Fireworks Festival. At number 3, we have the Katakai Fireworks Festival in Japan. This traditional event, held annually in Katakai, features some of the largest fireworks in the world. The highlight is the massive Yanshakudama, a firework shell that costs around $8.5 million and measures over 4 feet in diameter. When launched, it reaches heights of up to 2,500 feet and creates an explosion over half a mile wide. The festival dates back to the 17th century and is a significant cultural event, drawing spectators from all over Japan to witness these colossal fireworks. Number 2. Macau International Fireworks Display Contest. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Macau International Fireworks Display Contest. This prestigious event brings together pyrotechnic teams from around the world, each showcasing their best work. The total cost for this grand spectacle? A whopping $10 million. The contest spans several weeks, with each team given one night to present their display. The fireworks are launched from barges on the Macau Tower waterfront, with the city skyline providing a stunning backdrop. The event attracts tens of thousands of visitors and is a highlight of Macau's cultural calendar. Number 1. New Year's Eve Fireworks in London. And finally, at number 1, we have the most expensive firework display ever, the New Year's Eve Fireworks in London. This iconic show over the River Thames in the London Eye cost an incredible $12 million. The display features over 12,000 fireworks, synchronized to music, making it a truly unforgettable experience. The event involves months of planning and coordination, with pyrotechnic experts working to create a seamless and spectacular show. The display is watched by hundreds of thousands of people along the riverbanks and is broadcast to millions more around the world. And there you have it, the top 7 most expensive fireworks in the world. Which one would you love to see in person? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an explosive video from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.